This question is from Rajshekhar Prabhu. He asks, Hare Krishna Guruji, does the cell has Atma?
The cell is a part of our body. In fact, all our organs, everything, our body is made up of cells. So everywhere it is cells. Everywhere this entire body we have cells. So the cell is working like we are getting the energy. The cell gets the energy from the food what we eat, and then it goes to the cell, and the oxygen what we breathe, the oxygen is carried to the cell. So otherwise the cell will die. So the cell will replicate, and cell division, basically it's cell division. So the cell has got different organelles inside it, like nucleus, mitochondria, a lot of thing, endoplasmic reticulum. So many different organelles are there, proteins are there, and inside the nucleus, chromosomes, everything are there, DNA, everything. So the cell is a is a basic like unit with which our body is made up of. Like if you have a big brick building, you are making it. So all the bricks you are putting together to make a huge building. So like that, our body is made up of cells. So the Atma is not cell. So the Atma is there everywhere inside this body. That's what we need to understand. So that way, cell is just a unit of our body with which our entire body is made up of. So there are different types of cells also there, like neurons, nerves, they are different cells. So each organ also is made up of different types of cells. So that way, the cell itself, we cannot say that it has a soul like that.
Okay, so it means like the individual cells, like they do not have Atma, like
No,
there is only one Atma. But
yes.
still we see that the cells are dividing, or so even without the uh,
That is the cells are dividing because of the science, because it is designed to divide. It's not that they are dividing because it, like the energy it is going, it is programmed. It's programmed to divide like that. So there is a cell cycle. So it happens. The different stages are there. Like so in that stages, the chromosomes come together. There are different, like prophase, anaphase, metaphase, telophase, so different phases. So it divides. They are all functions of the cell. That doesn't mean that the cell has got the atma, the soul. That is not correct.
okay, Guruji. So it means like because of our presence, like we are the Atma, and because of my presence in this body, the cells in this body are dividing. But yeah,
Even if you take the cells outside of this body, if you put it, there is something called minimal media. So you put it in the minimal media, if you supply all the nutrients, it still keeps dividing.
okay. So then it means it should have some living force, right? If it is still
No,
dividing outside the body.
it is dividing because it is inside all that. As long as it gets in that programs, it keeps dividing. But it is not. It is there is no soul inside there. That is how it is programmed. As long
Okay,
as it is given energy, it divides. So these are all machines, like machines. Probably the machines, they work as long as you give the supply. It's all energy, correct? If you give energy, it needs energy, correct? If you give energy, it will do its job. So we cannot say that if a car is moving from one place to another place, so it's moving, it's having energy. So the car has the soul. Can we say the car has the soul? No.
okay, Guruji. So when the cells are dividing, so can we say like the cell is growing? Because if you initially, let's say you start with only single cell, and then if it divides and it becomes 100 cells or 1,000 cells, so can we say that the soul?
It won't form. That's correct. That's why again it's a body. It's all made up of biomolecules. So the soul is the one which has got consciousness. That cells will not have any consciousness.
No, like I mean when you take the cells outside the body, and then they are dividing. Like when the cells divide inside the body, we say that the body is growing, so which is a symptom of life. But let's say
No,
if you take the
body is growing, but just by body is growing, we cannot say that that is a symptom of life. Symptom of life is we are having the consciousness, we are thinking, we are there. The atma, the soul is there inside the body, like thinking. See, we are doing something, correct? Here you are thinking, you are acting, you are behaving, you are feeling, all those things. The cell will not have any feelings when you take. They themselves will not have any feeling. That is the main thing.
Okay, thank you, Guruji. I think that
It is not having senses. It is not having other senses to interact with that, all those things. So that cell as such, it is not growing, Prabhu. That's what you need to know. The cell itself, it won't grow. It is the same size all the time. So here you are talking about the body is growing. So it's too much science we are getting into that, Prabhu. But just to understand that the cell is not having. That's all.
okay, thank you, Guruji.